What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM Technician, and today I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot a printer error. So if there is a print error code indicating that there's something wrong with your printer on your home screen, the very first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the front cabinet of your ATM. You're going to want to check and see, number one, if the printer is out of paper. If it is, just replace the roll of paper. If it is not, then there's most likely a paper jam. So back here, there's a little button that you can lift and lift open the hood of the printer. You can visually inspect it and see if there's any kind of paper jam or anything involved in causing this issue. Once you lift the printer head up and see that there is a paper jam, clear the jam, make sure all the paper is out of the printer, take a pair of scissors and make a nice clean cut and auto feed the paper back through the printer. So once you've ensured that the printer is not out of paper and you have properly cleared the jam and fed the paper properly back through the printer, that should resolve your issue. Thanks for watching, guys.